Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm obviously wearing right here, right now. This makeup look was initially for Valentine's Day, but I feel like you can just really wear it for any date night. It's just very elegant, classy, you know, bold red lip with some nice smoky eyes. So I just really enjoyed the way it turned out. If you guys are wondering on how I got this makeup look, then let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Can somebody tell me why it's 11 in the morning and I'm literally eating Sour Punch straws? I'm going to start off this look by doing my eyebrows. So right now I'm just brushing them into place. And I like to go in with my Benefit Ka-Brow No. 2 pomade. Really the only place that I like to fill it in a lot is like the arch right here. And then I'll go in and just kind of feather it in right there towards the front of the brow. Now that my brows are all filled in, I'm setting them with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well. And just kind of brushing those hairs. I have really full eyebrows naturally, so I kind of have to do this or else my brows get out of control during the day. So this just makes sure that they're like locked in place. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to prime them using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just to give them a really good base. And I'm just using this Sigma Large Shader E60 brush to blend that all in. I always like to set my eyeshadow base, so today I'm just using this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just setting right on top of those eyelids. Moving right along to the eyeshadow, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. And the first color I'm going to use as my transition shade is this golden ochre color. And I'm using my Morphe M518 brush to blend it in. The next shade I'm taking is Raw Sienna, and I'm going to work that into my crease. And I'm using my Morphe R37 brush for that. Now on the very outer corner, I'm going to take the color Cypress Umber, and I'm going to use my Morphe M433 brush to do that and just deepen up the outer corner a little teeny tiny bit. I don't want to get too smoky with it, so just really focus it right out here. I'm going to carve out my inner corner like I usually always do, so again, I'm taking that same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just doing one eye at a time because I don't want it to go up into my crease. And where's that brush? All right, and I'm just taking this Sigma concealer brush and I'm just carving out that inner corner. Taking that same concealer brush, I'm going to use the color Vermeer and just place that on the inner corner that we just carved out. And now I'm just taking whatever is left on that brush that we used for the outer corner and just kind of blending these two shades together. Next, I'm using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm using that to draw a wing on my eyes. I'm just taking this makeup wipe real quick and cleaning up everything underneath that wing. I'm moving on to the face, so I'm going to use my First Aid BB Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. And I'm just rubbing that all in. And right where my pores are the worst, right here on my cheeks and my nose, I'm going to use the Benefit Porefessional Pearl Primer and just kind of working that into those areas. For foundation today, I'm using this Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I'm in the color Light Natural 09. For Bare Minerals foundation, this has actually become one of my favorite ones, which is so weird because I've never really tried anything from Bare Minerals because I've heard it's like really natural stuff. And I'm just not a fan, but this foundation is really, really nice. For concealer today, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is in the color Fair Warm. And I also like to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but only right underneath the eyes. Putting just a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape right here. for extra coverage since I have really, really dark bags underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use that same Morphe sponge. Since I'm going for more of a sharper contour today, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Cream Contouring Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Contouring Palette. And as you guys can tell, the only two shades that I use are these two right here. And I use my MAC 130 stipple brush to apply that. For cream highlight, I'm using this Benefit What's Up? I'm using this Benefit What's Up highlighter. And I just take this big fluffy brush from Morphe, doesn't have a specific number on it, and just pat it onto my cheekbones. I'm going to set my concealer with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite. As you guys know, I don't like to bake with this, so I just apply it with this Morphe brush. This is my Morphe Y11. And the only place that I do like to bake is right here underneath my cheekbones, just to carve them out, make them look a little bit sharper. Now while I wait for this to set a little bit longer, I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola bronzer and just set that contour. Now for blush, I'm using this Dandelion blush by Benefit. I'm just wiping off that setting powder now. For highlight today, I'm using the highlight that I use almost every single day, and this is the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlight. It is such a beautiful pigmented highlighter, and I have not stopped using this ever since I got it. I'm just using like the most plain Jane lashes, and these are the Ardell Wispies. They're just so easy to apply. I'm first gonna coat my lashes with this Balm Mad Lash Mascara. I'm gonna put these lashes on off camera because it takes me so long, and then once they're on, I'll be right back. One thing before the lips, I have to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, so I'm just using that same Vermeer shade that we used before for the lid, and placing that on my inner corner and my brow bone. The last thing that I'm going to do is my lips, and of course going to do red because it's the holiday, so I'm using my NYX Matte Suede Liner, and this is in the color Kitten Heels, and then the Dose of Color Liquid Lip in the color Strawberry Pop. So this is a finished look to like my Valentine's Day date night makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I did creating it. If there's anything else you guys want to see, you know I love your suggestions, so leave them down in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!